I am very excited to be here today to talk to you about how Best Buy has built elements of the circular economy into our business model. I don't know if you know this, but we're based here in the Twin Cities. And we were started here in 1966, and at that time, we were called the Sound of Music, not Best Buy. We sold audio equipment. Today, however, our purpose is to enrich people's lives through the use of technology. So this includes audio equipment and entertainment devices, but it's also productivity, communication, food, security, and increasingly for us, health. So this is how we view the circular economy at Best Buy. It starts up at the top with get it now. When we started, we had one retail store. Today, we have 1,000 stores across Canada, US, and Mexico. We have a leading retail website, and then we have our Geek Squad agents that are invited into people's homes every single day. We want to meet our customers where they want us, and we need to do it as efficiently as possible. And that's why today, I am really proud to announce that we have a new science-based goal around our operations. So we will reduce our carbon emissions 75% by 2030, and of course, get to carbon neutral by 2050. And this is based, Thank you. There's more. This is based upon our 2009 baseline. We've been at this for a while. We're at 51%, so we continue to plug ahead. Our science-based goal actually extends to the use and enjoy. So it extends to the products that we sell and to our customers. We have for a very long time had a commitment around helping our customers live more sustainably. But today, for the very first time, we are putting a goal out there on that. So our new goal, announced today, is to reduce carbon emissions for our customers 20% by 2030. And this will help them save $5 billion in energy costs. Of course, once our customers have these products in their hands, we really want those products to stay in use as long as possible. And this extends to our repair business. So down here on the corner. We have just this week, our Geek Squad has announced their 25th anniversary. So 25 years they've been in business. And we have 20,000 Geek Squad agents that repair 5 million customer products each year. And we're constantly looking for ways to make this easier for our consumers. We have an announcement coming out today about a greatly expanded offering in our stores with a major vendor of ours. So keep a lookout for that. When the product is then no longer needed by the consumer, we have a couple take-back programs. So we have a trade-in program, and this is when a customer can bring in their product, and we will buy it at market-leading prices and make sure that that product has a useful second life. This is great because the customer can manage their own product life cycle, but then another customer can actually get the benefits of that technology at a much lower price point. Our recycling program began in 2009, and it started in parking lots. And it has now grown into a really sophisticated reverse logistics operation. Those events sound great, but trust me, we get a lot more volume having our 1,000 stores. Every moment that they are open, we will take back electronics in our stores. And we're announcing today that we're also trying to make this easier for our customers as well. So as our Geek Squad agents are in the home with customers, they will actually take back consumer electronics. Cables, cords, remotes, audio equipment, anything that doesn't have personal data, they can just conveniently take off the customer's hands. So this means that they can declutter responsibly. I am super, super proud to announce today that we have hit a major milestone for this program. And I hope this audience, of all audiences, understands kind of how much went into this for us as a company. We have now collected 2 billion pounds of consumer electronics and appliances for recycling. So these new science-based carbon goals, our repair, trade-in, and recycling programs, they are now elements and core elements of our business and service offerings. There is so much more work to be done around the circular economy, but we are really proud of this work, and we are going to continue to set goals for the future. Thank you.